Welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. It's been a long time since I've unboxed a Tokyo Treat snack box, so today we're going to unbox the July 2025 one. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Tokyo Treat, it's essentially a subscription box, and every month you get a new curated box based on whatever theme it is of Japanese snacks. And this can be anything from chips to ramen to bags of tea to candies and chocolates and things of that sort. So this pamphlet comes in all the boxes and it tells you the theme and all the things that are inside, including all the allergen information. And this box actually came with a little postcard as well that says hello from Takeshita Street. I've actually been here. This is like one of the most notable spots in Harajuku. This is the area you see before you enter, like where the main stores in Harajuku are. Harajuku is kind of a nicely sized area for shopping, but like the main area is Takeshita Dori, which is Takeshita Street, and this is exactly it. I have a picture here as well. Now there are some crazy snacks in Harajuku, so I'm really interested to see what snacks they've chosen to put in this box to fit with that theme. And as with all my subscription box videos, we are going to unbox everything and try a few snacks at the end of the video. And there will be a discount code down for you guys in the description box if you guys are interested in trying out the snacks box for yourself. Box reveal. So this is what the box looks like for this month, and I'm already noticing that there's a lot of colorful snacks, which is probably what I tend to shy away from in the stores, because I know it's going to be some crazy flavors, some crazy things going on, especially because it's Harajuku theme, and Harajuku is the place where you will see a lot of the crazy viral food. Like I tried the huge rainbow cotton candy. That's where they have the crazy like grilled cheeses, like rainbow grilled cheese. You'll see crazy stuff in Harajuku, so I'm expecting this snack box to be on par with that. So inside the pamphlet, it tells you just a little bit about Harajuku. So of course the things you'll kind of see there, and here actually you can see it, the rainbow grilled cheese. And actually this is the cotton candy I was talking about. This is at Todi Candy Factory, is actually where I went to try it myself. So literally, like I said, it's known for these kind of very viral, rainbow, cutesy, but crazy snacks and treats, and that's what I think the box is gonna give this month as well. But hopefully there'll be some stuff in there we like. So first up, this is the Happy Harajuku Choco Cake. It says this delicious treat brings all the happy Harajuku vibes with a soft sponge cake and sweet chocolate in every bite. This is the Mega Marshmallow Stick. It says this sweet and fluffy marshmallow stick is pure cuteness overload. Each soft bite-sized puff is a sugary treat, but the showstopper is the adorable animal-shaped marshmallow on top. The Arizona heat might have gotten to her a little bit. I'm a little scared. It was 105 and she looks a little melty, so we might not try this one just to be on the safe side. Next up, we've got Kirby's Crazy Gum Mix. It says venture into Kirby's colorful world of fun with 5 tasty gum flavors: apple, orange, muscat, grape, soda, and cola. You can mix and match to create surprise combos like apple pie or melon soda. Which flavor will you unlock? Let's see here what they're talking about. So that's interesting. I think the only one I wouldn't be very keen on is the cola flavor, but I'd be interested to try Kirby's Crazy Gum Mix. This is the Simply Sweet DIY ice cream. It says bring a taste of Harajuku home with this DIY strawberry ice cream kit. Simply mix the powder with 2 spoonfuls of water, scoop it into the mini waffle cone, and enjoy your sweet creation. So you guys can see here, that's what it's supposed to look like after you do it. This is super sour chewing candy. It says give your taste buds a wake-up call with this super sour chewing candy, powered by the punch of Monster Energy and fizz of sour soda. It's a tangy blast you won't forget. These are grape rainbow belts. It says Harajuku is all about fun, and these grape flavored rainbow belts totally deliver. Colorful, juicy, and covered in sugar, they will surely add some sweetness to your day. Next, we've got Cookies and Cream Kit Kats. Treat your taste buds to a cookies and cream adventure with layers of creamy white chocolate and crunchy cookie bits. These Kit Kats are the ultimate snack for exploring Harajuku's bright and colorful streets. Let me just say, this box has a lot in it. I feel like I've noticed lately they're putting more stuff in the boxes. That's what I like to see. These are garlic potato chips. It says we wanted to bring you a taste of Harajuku's street food culture, so we threw in these tornado potato inspired chips. Super crunchy and bursting with garlic goodness. You'll be snacking in style wherever you go. I love a potato tornado. I get them anytime I see them. It's literally the swirly, like the potato, and they stretch it out in the spiral and they put it on a stick. Potato tornado. One of my favorite snacks, honestly. It's just like a crispy potato put on a stick. Now there's so much in this box. I feel like I'm flipping back and forth through the pamphlet trying to find the snacks. Crunchy cheese puffs. Says snack loud and proud with these crunchy cheese puffs. Bold, fun, and full of rich cheese. They are irresistibly tasty. Get ready to make some noise. This one snack steals the spotlight. I like a cheese puff. These are the fabulous fried rice crackers. Snack your way through non-stop fun and flavor with these crunchy rice crackers. Packed with a crispy crunch and chunks of peanut. They're so tasty you might forget to share. I was so excited till they said peanut. I don't have a peanut allergy or anything. I just think peanuts are disgusting. These are twisty corn bites. Sugared out from your Harajuku adventure. No worries, these crispy corn bites bring tasty chicken-inspired flavor and serious crunch to power up your savory game. Chicken-flavored corn bites? Put that in the try pile. I like that. I like that a lot. Sounds like something I would buy. Next, there's ramen. This is the seafood and vegetable dashi ramen. Harajuku street snack scene is all about bold, creative combos, and this ramen is no exception. With the mouth-watering taste of seafood, it's a flavor explosion that's sure to excite your taste buds. I have to try this another time, but I love when they put ramen in the box. It's like I have something to snack on later when I don't really have a snack for later. These are Fruity Fizz gummies. It says add some flair to your snack game with these gummies with fruity and frizzy taste like apple, grape, cola, and soda. Each bite is a flavor-filled street parade. And last but not least, these are salted lemon pretzel sticks. Unique is an understatement for these pretzel sticks. These zingy lemon and bold black pepper team up to create a flavor explosion that's refreshing and tasty. So now that we've exposed everything that's in the box, let's try some stuff out. All right, since I'm holding the pretzel sticks, that was the last thing I opened, let's go ahead and try the pretzel sticks first. Now these are lemon and I believe it said black pepper. Oh, you get 2 packages. I like that. I like that they give you individual packaging. Very thoughtful. Like limoncello. Whoa, okay. Just like a regular pretzel. Wow. I'm making the craziest face right now because like I hate it, but it's delicious. Like I actively hate it, but it's very good. I don't know. I hate it, but it's so good. Wow, that was weird. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Like it tastes good, but at the same time, it's disgusting. I don't know, I feel like that altered my reality a little bit. Like I don't know what to make of that. Like that was disgustingly delicious. Let's taste something else fast. These are the chicken corn chips, the chicken flavored corn chips. So let's try these next. Wait, this is what it looks like. Oh no, these are tasty. Okay, yeah, good recovery. Good recovery. Yeah, these are good. But it's more like a snack you kind of have to like eat because all the pieces are tiny. Like it doesn't look like they got crushed. It looks like they're just made to be tiny, which is fine, but they definitely taste good. I don't know if I would say the flavor is chicken. I think they're more reminiscent of the flavor of like a shrimp chip, which isn't bad. I like shrimp chips. I'm just not sure if I would call it chicken. These are the crunchy cheese puffs. We're gonna try these next. Well, these look like shrimp chips, like small ones. They're good, they're mild, they're not super cheesy. I'd say I actually like these probably the most because they are very mildly tasting. Like, I don't really prefer like crazy flavors in my snacks. I like them in my food, but like in snacks, I just tend to go for something more along the plain realm of flavors. So I actually kind of like these because even though they are cheese puffs, they're like hardly cheesy. Next, I told y'all we was gonna try these naughty garlic potato chips. naughty face. Cause you know your breath gonna be kicking garlicky. Cause you could keep a vampire away with something like this. The whole Volturi would never make it. That's a powerful flavor. The last thing we're gonna try are these fruity fizz gummies, and I really hope we can try these and that they didn't melt because of how hot it is here in Arizona, because it is very normal to see marshmallows and gummy candies and things like that melted in the summertime here because it is just incredibly hot and the warehouses can't handle it and the transportation can't handle it, and so it just ends up melted already. And I think, yeah, okay, but it is very normal for stuff to get melted here, so that's why I was like, I think I can't do the marshmallow. We're gonna try this, and this is gonna be our last thing for the box. Soda is the blue one, cola is the brown one, apple is the red one, and purple is grape. She can read Japanese, guys. So we're gonna try the apple flavor. I've actually got the whole wad of them sitting here in my hand. I think they just taste like regular gummy candy. I don't know if I would say fizzy. It says fruity and fizzy. I don't know if I would say it's fizzy. Like, they mean fizzy because they're soda flavors and sodas have fizz. Perhaps that's what they meant. I'll try the soda flavor. Why does soda flavor kind of tea? These taste like melon though, like melon soda. My favorite flavor I fear. So that was this month's Tokyo Treat snack box for July 2025. I absolutely love how many snacks they put in the box. It was literally bursting. I wish you guys could have seen. I had already opened it before I started filming, but I wish you guys could see how it was literally bursting at the seams. There were so many snacks in the box, and that's what I like to see. I like when they pack it full because then you really feel like you're getting your money's worth. I love my Tokyo Treat snack boxes, and I'm really excited to see what the theme is for next month. If you guys are interested in getting your own Tokyo Treat snack box, make sure you check out the description box down below because I have a discount code for you guys. Thank you so much to Tokyo Treat and Ichigo for sending me a box to try out for this month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Them pretzels was straight crazy. I don't even know what to make it out.